Hi, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to do isometric money. We are going to start for the village, and I'm going to split into 3 parts so you can follow easy as well. So it's very simple. For the village, I'm just going to put one rectangle, just colorize in the green or in the design that you want. I'm just going to do something simple so you can follow and have an idea how to transform into isometric. So I'm going to make another rectangle, but I'm going to make it more smaller with object, path, and then offset path. I'm going to do it more smaller but proportional in this way. So once you put that, you can put, I don't know, -11, I think it can be. I think this is enough. I'm going to put okay. Then this one, I will colorize probably something like more like lime. So just to have something different there. I don't know, you can copy as well the hex color. Or maybe it's too vibrant. I'm going to lower this tone. I'm going to leave it probably a little bit more green, I think. Could be, I think it's fine. Then after that, I'm going to make some circles. The circles, I'm going to just press Command Y. I'm just going to snap the circles in every edge of the second rectangle that we did. So I'm just going to make one copy there. This way, I'm going to press Command Y, or also here is the shortcut, the preview. So after that, I can grab all the circles with Shift, and the next, the second shape that we did, I can press Shift M, or the shape builder is here, and I can press Alt to delete, so I can do this one more easy. Or you can use as well the pathfinder. For me, I found that more easier. I'm going to make the $sign. I'm just going to make it first. And then it's up to you, but me, I like this one, probably just Arial. I think all of us, we have Arial, and it has all the stick from, okay, point to point. Then I'm going to press Type, create outline. So this is not type anymore, it's going to be a shape, and I can resize it more easy. This one, I'm going to put this one probably a little bit more. Yes, I think that I like it better in that way. Then just a circle. I can continue using my guidelines, and I can just, for example, this one, I'm going to make it more bigger. This one I can snap as well when I see center with my guidelines. Right click, arrange, bring to front, so I can have also this color. So I have just a simple shape for the billet. Even if you think it's very long, I can just grab with the direct selection tool these anchors and just reduce it this way. Could be if you consider that it's too long, the billet example. Could be. If not, well, it's up to you. I think I can leave it probably this way. I can grab everything, and I can press align. Okay, yeah, I think it's enough. Also for this one, once we have the first shape, what I have to do is I'm going to grab my panel of symbols. It's this one here. If you don't have it, you just have to go to Window, and then Symbols is there, and then here's the shortcut. So once you have it open, you have to group everything, okay, to create a symbol of this. But before I do that, I'm going to just separate this shape. This one will be the shape that I'm going to do into 3D and isometric. And this one will be the shapes that I'm going to paste in my 3D object. So you can make copies as well. I can make a copy outside in case that I need it for the future or to modify, etc. I can still modify the symbol, but it will modify all the shapes that I have applied the symbol. So for this one, I'm going to press Command G to create a group. I'm going to click and drag to my symbols panel. I'm going to create a new symbol. I'm just going to put billet, and then I'm going to put OK. So it's there. Now the shape, the rectangle that I create from the main shape of the billet, remember I separate, so it's the same size. I can just put here so you can see. So this one, I have to go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel, and then I can play, for example, isometric left. Then I can have now the isometric perspective. I can reduce, if it's going to be a billet, for example, I can just reduce to 1 or 2. Depends. I mean, if you want it more stronger, like if it's stronger paper, but I think 1 is enough. But here in map art, then I can choose my symbol and I can put the billet, so it will adjust immediately. I can put OK. And even to this one, if you think that, for example, you want like more billets here, then you can add just more extrude depth. In this case, for now, I'm just going to leave it in 1 for now to give a little bit of volume to this billet. And after, if you want to continue modifying this object, you have to create a copy. Okay, I can just create a copy here, and then after I have to put object and then expand appearance. I can expand the appearance because this one I can create more like, I'm going to give an effect like flag, so I can go to Effect, Warp, Flag, and then of course I have to reduce, so we can create more dynamic shape in this billet, so it's not going to be that flat. So here you can play with the attributes. You can play horizontal, vertical, experiment by yourself, okay, until you get the result that you want. I'm going to press OK. So then we have another type of shape of this one. Then this one, if you want to continue modifying to create another perspective, for example, to put like on top, then I create another copy. This one is still 3D. If we can see, for example, here in our panel of appearance, if you don't find it as well, go to Window, Appearance. And then here we are going to see that we have the 3D option. We have to modify from here, because if we apply it again, then we are going to apply another 3D effect, and probably our computer, well, the program, the program is going to crash, and it's going to like charge 2 3D effects in one, and it's going to create a mess. So it's better to change the options and refine it, etc. from here, from this panel of appearance. So I can click once, I can put preview, and for example here, instead of isometric left, I can put isometric top, so then it's going to be like just resting. And here I can add more extrude depth, so I can give the appearance that I have many billets there, right? So depending how much do you want, I think a good result probably for now is, I'm going to leave it just in 90, just to experiment for now. I'm going to put OK. So then I can create another copy, and this is because I can continue making more details to this. I'm going to expand this one, so I can put object, expand appearance. Then after, something that you can do is that you can create a label that is like holding all the money. So for that, I have to make a rectangle for example, from here, from this one, to take the reference. So when we apply the effect, it's going to immediately fit. So from here, I'm just going to make a simple rectangle. Probably it's going to be just with the colors like just gold or something like that. I think it can fit. Then Command C, Command F, I will make it more smaller. This one, I will just align these elements in this way. And this one, I'm going to make it more like yellow, probably in this way. So I think it's enough. I think we can, I will move anyway, so I can just group it, Command G. Then Effect, 3D. Well, I can make a copy just in case, so I can move it in this way. Then Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Then move myself there. Then I can add it was isometric top. Then I'm going to reduce until 0. I'm going to put preview. And then no shading. I'm going to put OK. And then I can expand this shape. So I can move, for example, here. Now I can make sure that this tag is there. And now to complete this shape is going to be very easy because this is going to be just straight lines going vertical. You can start it from this anchor, then to complete from this anchor, then just go down. And then this one, my guidelines immediately will realize where is the limit. And you can just go upper, take this color. And then of course here we have more shadows, so you can just apply more. You can change the hue tone until you see that it's more darker. So we can leave it, for example, in this way. This one you can easily just copy here when it fits. And then this one, this shape that it continues here, like going down, going to be very easy to complete because it's only this anchor, we are going down from here, we complete. We grab this yellow and we have to put more, a darker tone, probably in this way. I don't want to choose something like too much dark because it's going to look like dirty or something. So then we have it. It's going to be like that. And if you want to continue creating details and the illusion that we have different amounts of billets here, like papers, what I do is that I only follow, I'm going to put just a stroke with the pen tool and then one line from here to here. And then this stroke, I'm going to just colorize. Probably I can grab just the eyedropper, grab this green, swap the color, and then I can put down just, for example, Command D, many Command D. So then I complete it. For example, I can put one more. I can select all the lines like this. I can move a little bit up. I can go put Command G, then press O, and then press Alt, select one of these anchors, and it will immediately reflect based on this anchor, and you can put copy. We can leave it in this way. And then this one you can just copy to this side, example, until it says intersect. We can put Alt, and then it's going to give the illusion that we have many right there. So that's all for now. And if you want to continue this this isometric money, then you can watch the next part. So like and subscribe and enter to my channel. I have different tutorials that you may be interested. And see you.